Hey everyone, I am going to be pressing some patches onto some hats. This is where I work. The factory is making the designed patches. Custom design is available. I have already arranged the hats. Let me share my patch with you first. This is an embroidered 3-dimensional fabric patch. This is a patch for attaching embroidery. The process is quite complex. It involves stitching each stitch individually. The back is also adhesive. I'll demonstrate pasting using the machine in a bit. This is a patch made of TPU material. The production is quite unique. Raised design. It's the style I like. It can be placed anywhere on the hat. This is the pasted embroidery. Various styles and materials can be made. Next, let's take a look at my cap press machine. This is where my 2 hot presses are located. This is the preset setting that comes with the machine, which is the flex style. I think these settings are very simple for most people. I think the only difficult part is controlling the temperature. How this works is this. Top number is going to be the temperature for the top pliant. The bottom number is for the bottom pliant. Except for the 3D stereoscopic spray, all others last 25 seconds. The hat and embroidery are ready. Next, we'll begin production. So we are ready to go here. I'm going to start making it next. This is our classic embroidered badge. The applique technique for embroidery is the simplest. He belongs to a patch. It's easy to make and complete your favorite designs. So let me get this one situated. Once you arrange them like this, you are almost ready to start making them. The temperature below must be maintained. Choose your favorite pattern. Of course, you can also choose other patterns and embroidery. And the position you have determined. Be careful of the gaps between the hats. For a secure and easy adhesion, we can use heated tape. I'll press it down first to see if it works. So it has already kind of taken shape a bit. I'm going to go ahead and throw the 1/8 on there. Then press it. We took it off. This is the effect I created. Alright guys, so I also have other hat embroidery patterns made here. This is a patch made of artificial leather. The designs are also very unique. There are also patches for TPU design. Clothes and bags can be glued on. It's actually very simple and convenient to make, and I really like what I made.